lace sandwiches? Amelia Jackson, please do tell.
Think a brandy snap.
Right.
Baked flat, sandwich with chocolate.
Oh, love it already.
Yeah, it's a goodie. It's a goodie. Should we get into it?
Yes, please.
All right. When I bake, I like to use unsalted butter and then we can control the salt content in there.
Okay.
Our butter's started to melt, so we're going to add in our brown sugar.
Okay.
We've got some almond meal here.
So this is essentially the biscuit base or the...
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to go in with a pinch of salt, which is for flavour. It brings out all the caramel notes. And I'll just grab a spoon from you because we've got a little bit of honey.
So these are also gluten-free?
They are. And then we'll go in with a dash of vanilla.
Okay. And so this comes up to the boil. You just want it to really just come together.
We just need this to come together. So just stirring it all around, melting that butter. It's going to be really liquid, so we can't actually work with it in this stage.
Sure.
So once the butter has melted and it's come together, we're going to pop it into a bowl and into the fridge to get nice and firm.
Great.
So our mixture's set in the fridge, nice and firm, and we're just going to take a teaspoon of it and then roll it into a nice little ball.
Okay.
And you can make these in advance and freeze them, pop them in the freezer like this. On this size tray, we're just going to do 6 because they'll spread quite a lot.
Right. And I love how in your book you are so pedantic, which is really good with baking. They need to be exactly 8 grams.
8 grams.
I love it.
We want them the same size.
Exactly.
So that we can sandwich them together. So these go into the oven, 170 fan forced or 190 degrees, 6 to 7 minutes until they're golden brown and spread. Great.
All right, these are piping hot, beautiful and golden.
Straight out of the oven, and you can see they've spread to wherever they want to go. So we're going to get a little ring cutter, and we are just going to kind of push them back into a nice circular shape.
How cute.
So if you don't have ring cutters, you could probably just get a knife or, you know, a spoon or something and just collect them up so that they're nice and circular.
Very nice. So you just want to really make sure when you come out of the oven, you don't wait around at all, just get straight onto it or else they start to firm up straight away.
Exactly. So these are going to end up quite crispy. So we don't want to leave them to crisp up because otherwise you won't be able to kind of manipulate them like this.
It smells so good. I can smell it. It's like caramel. It is caramel, essentially.
They're so delicious.
Yeah. Wow, and the last one, squish it together.
Squish it together.
Quite
You
easy
can
to
kind of
do.
like pat them down if
Yeah.
you want them. So you know these are ready to go when they've just firmed up a little bit. So they're nice and crispy and you can see why they're lace biscuits. They're like little lacy.
Absolutely. See right through that.
Yeah.
A bit like a twill.
Exactly. So we're just going to finish them off by sandwiching them with a little bit of melted dark chocolate. So
Turn them over.
turn them over. A little bit of chocky in there and we'll just press them together and they're really delicate. And you can see little bits of chocolate come through the top.
Ooh, so good.
And then I like just a little extra chocolate over the top because why not?
Just a little.
Just a little.
That is awesome.
There you go. Now you want to let these set so you can pop them into the fridge for a couple of minutes, but dive right in, Justine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I should have put a bib on because this is going to be messy. But look how gorgeous that looks. It is just perfect. High five. That is sensational and so easy.
So easy.